All right, students, this video is going to walk through what I've gone over in class with you for your two assignments called SJC Course Delivery Types and Sexual Misconduct Prevention. So these are two trainings that the district, St. Jack College District, needs you to complete. And so you're going to get 25 points for each one of these. And so the SJC Course Delivery Types, again, is found on this tab underneath Attendance. You're going to click on it. You are going to read through all of the material. You are going to complete this SJC course distance learning tutorial, so it is required for you to complete it. And then you are going to, let me move this down, click on this Student Lingo tab. You will register if you have not registered below, but if you are already a member, you are going to sign in. When you sign in, let's see if I remember my password here. Of course I didn't. Alright, when you sign in, you are going to be brought to this screen. These are all free training courses for you. Some of them you may have done already during orientation in SOS that linked you to it. But all of these things are free for you to use. And I say free, remember when you pay for tuition, you get access to all of these things. But the one that's going to be right here is going to say online courses, staying motivated and disciplined. And so you will open it up. And so it'll be right here for you and it'll say start. But since I've already started it, it's now up here. So you are going to do online courses, staying motivated and disciplined. When you are done, you are going to get a certificate. And so sometimes it doesn't say save as a PDF. Sometimes it says print. And so I want to show you what happens when you, let me just open something up here. Okay, let me just open this attendance sheet. Will be my example. So you get the certificate and it doesn't give you a chance to download it, but it says print. And so you'll get a screen that looks like this. This will go to your printer. You want to save it because you're going to submit it to me. So right here you will down click under printer and then you will save it as a PDF. So whenever you go to save things or try to save something sometimes, but you only have a print option, when you get to the print option, then save it as a PDF. And then it will save it as a PDF to your computer, and then now you can submit it. And so I know sometimes students get these certificates and they say, well, there was nowhere for me to save it, but there was to print it. And so when you get to that print, then you move underneath printer and click the down arrow and save it as a PDF to your computer. So once you get this completed, you're going to get that certificate, and then you are going to come back to course content. Right here it says SJC Course Delivery Types. Oh, I'm sorry, it's 50 points. And then you are going to browse your computer, find your certificate, and submit it. Then you're going to come back. Underneath SJC Course Delivery Types is the Sexual Misconduct Prevention Training. Some of you may have completed this already. That's fine. You just go into your SOS account and get your certificate. But if not, you again follow all these modules. You're going to watch this Not Anymore training. You're going to go to your SOS account. You're going to give a pre-test. You're going to have training and post-test. You do have to score 75% or higher. You have to retake it, so please take that in consideration. When you complete it, they're going to give you a certificate. So again, save that certificate. If you only have a print option, go under printer, save it to PDF, and then again, you're going to come back to course content. You are going to click right here on Sexual Misconduct Prevention, and you are going to browse your computer, get your certificate, and submit it. Okay. So all of those things are going to be due to me in Blackboard. So just depending on what class you are for me, look at your due date. My face-to-face class, it's this Sunday, May 5th. My online class will be next week. But I wanted to give you all a preview of exactly what you're turning in, so those of you that want to go ahead and get it done. My online courses, my face-to-face courses, my face-to-face courses, yes, you're due this Sunday, and my other courses you are due next week. So that is how you do them.